Question number 38, that is page 33. And for this question, it's given that, let's say, computer-based learning. It refers to any teaching methodology that makes use of computers for information transmission. And at an elementary school level, computer applications can be used to display multimedia lesson plans, like on this the multimedia board, and the survey was done on 1,000 elementary and secondary schools of Assam, and they were classified with the number of computers they had. So this is the classification of the schools on the basis of number of computers. So this is the number of computers and the number of schools. Now, based on this information, we have to find the probability that the school chosen at random has more than 100 computers. So number of schools that has more than 100 computers. Now, more than 100 computers, so it's more than 100 computers are 80. And the total number of schools that were surveyed were 1,000. So our favorable outcomes are 80. And it was done on survey of 1,000. So this is 0.08 is the probability of the schools that has more than 100 computers. And the next question is, find the probability of school chosen at random has 50 or fewer computers. So number of schools that has 50 or fewer computers. So number of schools that has 50 or fewer computers. So that means the less than 50, and these are 250 plus 200 plus 290. So this is 250 plus 200 plus 290. So this is 450 and 450 plus 290. This is 4 and 7. So this is 740, and we have to find the probability of 50 or fewer computers. So 50 or fewer computers probability is equal to 740 by 1,000, which is equal to 0.74. Okay, now second part, find the probability that school chosen has random is no more than 20 computers. And no more than 20 computers means less 20 or less than 20 computers. So schools, number of schools with no more than 20 computers. So number of schools with no more than 20 computers. And no more than 20 computers means these are the computers. No more than 20 computers means 250 plus 200, which is equal to 450. And we have to find the probability of no more than 20 computers, which is 450, and total schools that was surveyed were 1,000. So this is 0.45. Okay, now last one, which has probability that a school chosen at random has 10 or more than 10 or less than 10 computers. So the third one now, let's first write down the number of schools that the school chosen has 10 or less than 10 computers. Okay, 10 or less than 10 computers are 250. So it's basically about reading this graph and then answering the questions. So probability of 10 or less than 10, 10 or less than 10 computers. School that has 10 or less than 10 computers probability would be 250 by 1000, which is equal to 0.25. And this finishes our this set, which was okay, which was 34, 32, 1. And let's move on to solving the next set of series.